What if your household trash could bankroll your 2026? Imagine stepping into your garage, flipping on a compact press or tabletop extruder, and turning yesterday's waste into today's premium products people proudly display, gift, and reorder. No massive factories, no six-figure machines, just clever microfactories, smart branding, and systems that fit in a spare room or shed. In this video, I'm revealing 10 trash to cash microfactories you can start from home, how to source materials for free, transform them into high-margin goods, where to sell, and how to scale without chaos. If you've been waiting for a small, sustainable business with real demand, this is your sign. Start with plastic bottle caps. HDPE from milk jugs and detergent lids can become terrazzo-style sheets by washing, shredding, sorting, and heat pressing into molds. From those slabs, cut coasters, cutting boards, planters, and lampshades. Each piece is one of a kind with Eco-Lux patterns. Curate colorways like Ocean Mix or Citrus Pop, standardized sizes and finish clean edges. Sell on Etsy, Instagram shops, and at design markets. Scale with custom color runs and wholesale sets, and price like functional art. Pro tip, film a 20-second transformation clip from caps to finished board. It's your best performing reel. Next, cardboard. E-commerce never sleeps, and corrugated boxes pile up. Turn them into rigid packaging inserts for small brands that want sustainable, foam-free protection. Flatten, sheet, and laser-cut tailored inserts for candles, skincare, and jewelry. Prototype fast, engrave logos, and handle low minimums. Find clients via LinkedIn, Maker Forums, and Etsy under Eco-Packaging Inserts. Build a template library so you quote in hours and batch produce in days. Brands that find a reliable packaging partner stick, and reorder often. Offer a starter pack with 3 insert styles so founders can test quickly. Glass is heavy and under-recycled, an overlooked profit center. Collect wine and beer bottles, remove labels, crush and screen. Then mold with eco-resin or cement to produce mosaic tiles, stepping stones, and inlay decor. Greens, ambers, and clear tones glow in sunlight. Offer consistent palettes, polish edges, and seal surfaces. Sell at artisan markets, through landscape suppliers and house. Offer contractor packs and custom color commissions for designers. Add a small sun test video where tiles sparkle outdoors. Visuals sell this category. From texture to acoustics, textile scraps into sound panels. Shred cotton, wool, and denim offcuts into bats. Then wrap them on wooden frames for stylish acoustic panels. Perfect for home offices, studios, and podcasts. Offer modular sizes and bundle room sets. Sell on Etsy and to local creative studios. Show quick before and after audio tests so the improvement is heard as well as seen. Create 2 aesthetics, a minimalist studio slate line and a bold pattern pop line for creators who want statement walls. Coffee grounds into exfoliating soap bars are giftable and repeatable. Partner with cafes to collect grounds, dry them, and fold into cold processed soap for natural exfoliation and a cozy aroma. Keep branding minimalist. Release seasonal blends. Sell at farmers markets, online, and inside the cafes that supply your grounds. Bundle sets and subscriptions. The Storylands. Local waste transformed into daily ritual luxury. Add a small card in each box telling which cafe supplied the grounds to deepen the connection. Under the radar winner. Food scraps into black soldier fly larvae. With simple bins and moisture control, kitchen scraps become high-protein larvae for backyard chickens, reptiles, and aquaculture. Sell live or dried, with subscription protein tubs. Add beginner kits and market locally, Facebook farm groups, garden centers, and reptile stores. From scraps to feed-in days, maintain a clean, science-forward brand. Trust grows when your process looks organized and responsible. Tech nostalgia meets design with e-waste art. Safely depopulate old circuit boards, then cut, finish, and frame them into wall art, clocks, jewelry, and resin-encased desk pieces. Recover gold-plated foils for delicate inlays. Sell on Etsy, at tech events, and as corporate gifts. Offer office installations crafted from a company's decommissioned hardware, a sustainability statement people can see. Photograph with matte backdrops to elevate the look beyond novelty. Pallet boards into flat-pack furniture kits are tactile and scalable. Dismantle, denail, plane, and cut reclaimed pallets, then design simple kits, side tables, shelves, planters, with pre-drilled holes. Include hardware and a 2-minute build video. Offer limited finishes, seasonal drops, and garden center partnerships. Batch cut components and assemble kits with a checklist-driven quality step. Include a stamped reclaimed wood mark for brand identity and authenticity. Turn empties into loyalty with candle jar refill subscriptions. Invite customers to send back jars for cleaning, refilling, and personalized labels. It's premium, sustainable, and giftable. Sell via Shopify and Instagram, pitch corporate gifts and weddings, and create monthly tiers. A weekly rhythm, intake, clean, pour, cure, label, ship, keeps ops simple. Add scent stories and limited edition blends to keep subscribers excited. For makers and schools, plastic film into 3D printer filament. Sort, wash, dry, shred, and extrude LDPE with careful diameter control. Test print each batch and market as eco-filament to makerspaces, school programs, and hobbyists. Offer color batches, classroom spool sizes, and small test coils. Publish your print profiles for popular slicers to reduce buyer friction and build credibility. Build a hyper-local sourcing network with branded drop bins and clear instructions. Partner with cafes, salons, warehouses, and restaurants. Offer donors a small discount and monthly updates showing their waste transformed. Keep intake tidy with labeled bins by material and color. Photograph before piles and after products to close the story loop in your marketing. Brand like a premium transformation company, not a craft hobby. Name lines by origin and palette. Keep photography consistent and tell the story tight. Before, process. After, add QR codes linking to 1-minute origin pages. Price for uniqueness and mission, not commodity status. Batch your production days, run checklists, and track time per unit to protect margins. Use gloves, masks, eye protection, and ventilation. Safety sets your ceiling. Your marketing is documentation. Short, satisfying clips of caps becoming boards, bottles becoming tiles, pallets becoming kits. Show quick durability tests and celebrate customer stories. Here's a 45-day jumpstart. Week 1. Choose one lane, secure 2 input sources, build a clean prototype, and post 3 transformation clips. Weeks 2 to 4. Produce 20 to 40 units. List on 2 marketplaces, test price points, and gather 5 real reviews. Weeks 5 to 6. Standardize SKUs, pitch 10 wholesale leads, launch a limited drop with a countdown, and reinvest into your bottleneck. Better molds, blades, or extrusion control. You're not in the business of recycling, you're in the business of transformation and story. Trash is a resource with a branding problem. Curate it, elevate it, and present it with taste and integrity. And it becomes a luxury with a mission. Pick one idea, start tiny, document everything, price with conviction, and deliver on time. The smartest microfactories with the clearest stories will win 2026. Your next product line might be sitting at the curb right now,